Here, volume of the parallel pipette is area of the base times the average altitude, right? Which is delta xi, delta y, ij. That's the area of the base, right? And the average altitude has to be, if we have a small enough partition, okay, tight enough partition, and a well-behaved function, which we certainly do this one, times f of xi star yij star. Okay? Now the rest of this is easy. Once you have this picture and can understand all this, so total area for total volume is what? You sum from I equals 1 to n, and for each I you sum from j equals 1 to m sub I, okay, of this expression, f of xi star yij star. Delta yij, because that's your sum for your y's, delta x sub I. And this approaches the integral. And the integral is what? Well, you leave the stars and the subscripts off. It just becomes f of xy dy dx. By magic, but we'll explain the magic a little further. This is enough to digest for now, okay? And the limits on your integral are what? Well, your x goes from I equal 1 to n of xi. The xi's go from 2 to 9 over x, right? Because that's your partition. You go back to your partition. Here's your x partition. It goes from 2 to 9 over, actually it's to 9 halves, not 9 over x, right? So it goes from 2 to 9 halves. And your y partition goes from what? It goes from 2 to 9 over x. And of course then this becomes the integral that I think I wrote down earlier. But here's why it works. I've shown you why it works, even if you don't believe me. Okay? Of 2 square root of xy dy dx. Okay?